If you are looking for a super easy pie to make, 15 minutes or less, no baking, this is the pie for you. This is my classic Southern chocolate cream pie. I posted a recipe of the long cook a couple weeks ago. You can find it on the channel. I'll post it also at the end of this video. This is the shortcut version. It is a shortcut, but guys, it is not short on flavor. The creamy chocolate filling and then the light whipped topping. Guys, you're going to love this one. And when you do, you give me a thumbs up. If you are new here, hit subscribe and hit those notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. Follow along with me as I put the quick version of this classic Southern chocolate cream pie together and make both of these recipes in your home and put a comment down as to which one you like better. Now, this jiffy version of the classic Southern chocolate cream pie, guys, this will be the perfect recipe if you're caught in a pinch, you don't have enough time, you need to come up with a dessert, or if you are new at baking and fixing these sweet treats, this one's for you as well. So simple. This one is a quick one, guys. Follow along with me as we put this together. We're going to put together this classic Southern chocolate cream pie. Guys, this one is so easy. You can do it while you're drinking your coffee in the mornings. So I needed a super quick and easy chocolate pie today. And this is the one that I chose. Little Bird told me to do it. You'll start with 4 ounces of baker's chocolate. This is the unsweetened, and you're going to chop it up. Now, guys, I do have this recipe on the channel where I do it all from scratch. This is the pie that you're going to go to if you don't have much time or you are just not feeling it in the kitchen. Or maybe you're a novelist and you want something that you can throw together that the people are going to like. You're going to chop your chocolate up and you're going to add this to a microwave safe medium bowl. I am using my mixing cup because, guys, this is the only dish that I'm going to get dirty through this cook. 4 ounces is going to be this whole package of the baker's unsweetened chocolate. Add that chocolate that is chopped up to your microwave safe bowl. Guys, we're going to melt this in the microwave. Yeah, the microwave on half power at 30-second intervals, stirring it in between. You don't want to cook it too fast because you'll burn that chocolate. Going in the microwave. Our chocolate has all melted. Look at that, guys. It smells good, even though it's the unsweetened. You know, chocolate smells good. To this melted chocolate, we're going to add 1 can of condensed milk, guys. This is the 14-ounce can, and this will make a flip flop taste good. So add the whole can to the chocolate. Just mix this in. This is going to be so good, guys. And this is the easiest pie recipe you will ever make. You will also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using extract, and this is the paste. But whatever vanilla that you have in your home, add 1 teaspoon. Mix this all together. This is all mixed up. We're going to let this cool down to room temperature, and then we're going to put in that last ingredient. Our chocolate is down to room temperature now. And if this wasn't yummy enough, guys, we're going to fold in about 1.5 cups of whipped topping. Now, I know I had told you earlier, but in case you missed it, I do have a from scratch recipe for this classic Southern chocolate cream pie on the channel. I will link it at the end. Guys, I'm just eyeballing this. I may have a little bit more, but we're going to fold in this whipped cream. Now, you're not going to want to stir it. It does need to be folded. I'm just using my spatula to do this fold. Just keep folding. Go around your edges, fold it right over the top of it. making sure that you are scraping down the sides of your mixing bowl. Our pie filling is all mixed up for that classic Southern chocolate cream pie. Guys, this is the quick version, right? So we're going to grab our store-bought chocolate pie crust. You'll just add this right into your pie crust. Guys, I was thinking that this would also be beautiful if you would have put it into a parfait cup and serve it like that. It would be beautiful. I'm going to smooth this out just a little before we add that luscious topping. Guys, this pie would be great if you had a friend who was sick. Forget about that chicken noodle soup, guys. This will make them feel better. Or if you had a potluck or you needed to put together a pie to take to some type of gathering, whether it be a cookout or prayer meeting. Now we're going to top this beauty. So you'll use as much whipped topping as you want if you want a very heavy topping or if you want a thin one. You guys do what you want to. Now, in my recipe that I make from scratch, of course, I have the recipe for the whipped topping. And on that recipe, I had also grated some chocolate over the top of it. So it had some chocolate curls on it. For this one, though, it is a quick and easy. So we're going to be topping it with not curls, okay? We're going to fancy this one up with mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. So just sprinkle these across. Again, you add as many or as few as you want, or it will be good even if you don't add any. How easy was that? I don't think you guys can find an easier pie, not to mention this classic Southern chocolate cream pie that everybody loves. This does need to be refrigerated for at least 2 hours, or if you make it the night before, throw it in there, go to bed, and be ready the next day. How easy was that? This Jiffy classic Southern chocolate cream pie, guys, it is delicious. I did make one from scratch and I'm going to put the link at the end. And I want you guys to try both of those recipes. You be the judge. Add me a comment down there which one of them that you like best. I hope that you have enjoyed this recipe. I hope that you will do this one in your home and the one that I made from scratch. Guys, give us a thumbs up. If you're new here, you hit that subscribe button and hit those notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. And until next time, you guys take care and God bless.